Welcome to the very first Framer Spring event. 2023 was a big year for us and the Framer community. People hit the publish button over 16 million times. More than 870 new Framer templates were released, which have created entirely new income streams for designers around the world. And individuals are creating amazing businesses, products, and education around Framer. Over the past handful of months, we've shipped a lot. Custom cursors, component effects, localization, our new creative insert menu, relative overlays and collision detection, page effects. All right, the time has come.
Yo, my name is Benjamin, and this is 3D Transforms in Framer.
But don't go anywhere yet. Later this year, we'll be releasing Framer plugins. For early access or to start building plugins yourself, head over to framer.com/plugins. At Framer, our goal is to make the web more creative. We want to give you access to tools that make the internet your canvas. And based off what we've been seeing so far, you're doing an incredible job. So we'll keep shipping, you keep designing, and we'll see you on the internet.